Now before I get into my theory, there is an Alipay app that you can download. This will give you a limited time to purchase using other currencies, allowing you to deposit on Buff 163. I'll have a video down below in the description showing you how to set it up. Many people have had problems with setting up Alipay, so here's my theory that could help you out. Generally speaking, you lose around 30 to 40% when you buy something off of the Steam market and sell it on Buff. On other third-party sites, the prices are much closer, but even though I have affiliation with Skimport, I can say that Buff 163 is generally superior price-wise. Well, what about something with a fixed price from the CS in-game store which has to stay somewhat consistent? The problem with basically all of the in-game purchasable items is that no one will buy it off of you. Well, what about some new capsules that people will be buying millions of, making it very easy to sell? Well, that's exactly what we have. I think Stockholm 2021 capsules could be your cheapest way to obtain balance at this point in time. I can't find the logs, but this was brought to my attention when the RMR 2020 sale dropped. It took about 2 weeks until the price bottomed out on Buff. If you bought on the first day of the sale, when the trade hold was done, you were able to sell on Buff and not lose any money. Soon after, the market was flooded and prices fell below the Steam store price, but there was still a period where it made sense to dump the capsules on Buff. With the lack of people selling due to the market being down and new restrictions for sellers, Buff fees are quite ridiculous if you don't know the right people. This could be a potential avenue to obtain Buff balance without creating relationships within the scene or using Alipay if you're having difficulties. Something to consider at the very least.